Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have my glossy box. This is the May version. I've been waiting for this to come in, so your girl's gonna open it up. It feels moderately heavy, not really heavy, but just moderately heavy. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Do you know who would love this packaging? My best friend Hong. Now look at that packaging, that is gorgeous. It says Daydreamer on it, glossy box, it's lilac. Oh, I love this packaging, this is gorgeous, and I feel like my best friend would love this too. So let's pop it open. Now, if you guys regularly watch it, which some of you probably don't, but I don't look at the card because I keep it as a surprise to myself. Like, I want to surprise myself, I don't want to know what's in it before I open it, you know? Oh my god, this packaging is so beautiful. Something's popping out already. Let me tuck that back in there because I'm trying to surprise myself. Let me unpackage this. I love the packaging. Oh honey, it just wants to be known. So let's pop it open. Wow. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this. This says, "We are tea. Earl Grey black tea. One whole leaf tea bag." Okay. Feels very tea-ish. You know, this feels like leaves, tea leaves. Our very own blend of finest whole black tea, scented with oil of bergamot, I don't know how to pronounce it, and sprinkled with cornflowers to make it as beautiful on the eye as it is on the palate. A true gentleman. Okay, I might have this tonight, you know. I'm just gonna drink it, I'm gonna relax. I've had a long week of work, so I'm just gonna de-stress myself, you know. What else we got? We have, this is so nice. Okay, so we've got here in the corner, Hiiii Double Effect Makeup Remover, Cleansing and Calming. Eyes and sensitive areas. Perfect, because I've just finished work. You know, I've just come back from work. I've got my glossy box, and I need to remove this makeup so I can just relax in bed like this. You know, like I don't have to worry about rubbing all makeup all up in the pillow. I can just lie back and snuggle my face into my pillow. So this is the Hiiii Double Effect Makeup Remover. It's funny because I actually have the Nivea Double Effect. Like, as you can tell, this is like my favourite eye makeup remover. I love it. It's because it's got oil in it and it just removes everything so easily. So this is a gentle eye makeup remover, special for waterproof and long-lasting makeups, and it cleanses the eyes. Perfect. I'm going to use that today once I finish this video. Then we have, what is this? Ooh, True Soft Shampoo. Is this shampoo and conditioner here? Shampoo and conditioner. Nice, because I'm going to wash my hair today as well. So that is 100% vegan and cruelty-free by Maria Nilla. Softening argan oil, sulfate and paraben-free, Color Guard Complex, produced in Sweden. Awesome. So it's natural, pretty much. And it's cruelty-free, it's vegan. This is top-notch stuff. This is great stuff. I like to hear that. It's for dry hair that softens, moistures, and strengthens the hair structure. Nice. I'm going to use this today. So if I come back the other days and my hair looks softer, moisturised, and strengthened, you know it's because of this. So I can't wait to use this. Before I put it down, let me just sniff it, because you know scents are always a big thing for me. What does this smell? Ah, okay. It reminds me of something that Rimmel makes. It's just that cucumber aloe scent. And it smells really refreshing and clean and just nice. Next we have this cute packaging. I saw rainbows here. I was like, what's this? This is Trifle Cosmetics Praline Palette, Eyeshadow Palette. Okay! 100% cruelty-free. I love it. I love it. Let's see what it looks like. See what the packaging looks like. I'm loving the packaging. It's vegan, there's no mineral oil, it's cruelty-free, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, which is awesome. Ooh, that's kind of cute. It's like a metallic, all metallic colours. Look at that. That's lovely. Oh, I like this. This is really nice. Let me swatch one of the colours actually. So I'm going to take this colour in the corner here. Oh, wow. What? That's pigmented. Okay. Look at the way the light hits it. Gorge. Love it. That's awesome. Okay, and then last but not least, it says just for feet, Jelly Foot Soak. A relaxing foot treatment to calm problematic and overworked feet. Soothe with lavender and lemongrass. Do you know what? I don't think I need this. I think I'm going to let my parents use this because their feet need some work. It needs some treatment to calm problematic and overworked feet. That's probably their feet. So what is this? Salts. They're salts. So maybe they can just soak their feet in a bucket. Oh. Step 1, step 2. 2-step dissolver, lavender and lemongrass. So you've got these 2 sachets. They have step 1 and step 2 on them. Step 2, step 1. Okay, that's cool. So it says add powder, watch the gel form, and then add powder step 2 to turn back into liquid. That's so odd. That's so odd. It says soothe tired and aching feet. Oh, to be honest, I need that. My feet are actually aching. Helps with athlete's foot, combats fungal issues, eases foot odor, natural eczema treatment, vegan friendly, safe for diabetics. This is great stuff. Do you know what? The stuff that they put in these glossy boxes is just, I feel it's so well thought out with the branding and what goes into these boxes. I love it. All right, now let me take a look at the box. So I always look at the sneak peek for the next month. It says summer is just around the corner, so enhance your glow with this sumptuous bronzer from Hiiii Cosmetics. Yes! I love bronzers. Bronzers are my favourite thing. You can probably tell by how, you know, orange my forehead is. My forehead's hecka big, so I like to bronze it up a little bit, you know. So I love bronzers. That is, yeah, perfect. And then we've got the Gel Spa Just for Feet Luxury Jelly Foot Soak. It says, sit back and give your feet a treat. Gel Spa's vegan-friendly jelly foot soak is specially developed powder which turns water to gel. Yes, miracles do exist. Let the aromas of lavender and lemongrass help you to relax after a long day, while the soak gently moisturizes and soothes your tired feet. Afterwards, simply add the second step to magically turn the gel back into liquid. $4.99, 40 grams, 1 use. Okay, that's not bad. That's actually quite nice. So for this, it's 1 use, $4.99. If it makes your feet like feel great as well, I think it's probably worth it. A relaxing foot treatment to calm. I actually need this. I might do this today, to be honest, because my feet are aching me. Then we have the Maria Nilla True Soft Shampoo. Wash away your worries with this vegan shampoo of the Swedish brand Maria Nilla, sulfate and paraben free. This gentle formula softens, moisturizes and strengthens the structure of your hair with a recipe for super shiny locks and frizz-fighting ingredients. Frizz-fighting ingredients. What's not to love? RRP, what is this? How many mil is this? 100 mil is $3.98, while 350 mil is £12.98. Wow, what a jump. And the conditioner, it says this gorgeous conditioner completes your dreamy hair care duo. Designed to reduce frizz and the loss of colour associated with washing and heat styling. This is a true multitasker. Try using this as a deep conditioning mask. Apply to damp hair after shampooing and leave on for 3 minutes before rinsing thoroughly to reveal a shiny smooth result. It's like the last words are like teasers. The shampoo's actually, the conditioner is more expensive. RRP for 100 ml is $4.99, and for the bigger bottle, 300 ml, it's not a 350 like the shampoo, it's a 300, it's $13.99, so the conditioner is much more expensive. So I'm quite intrigued to see how the conditioner might change up my hair if they're making it a bit more expensive, so it must do something. And then we've got Trifle Cosmetics, the Praline palette. It says find a palette of 6 pigmented eyeshadows in this cute pastel packaging. The intense shades range from a neutral bronze to a wearable khaki and deep eggplant. Formulated to be creamy yet vivid, these unique powders have a velvety smooth texture and are 100% vegan plus free from any nasties. RRP, oh wee, and it's full size. RRP £15.55. Honey, this is expensive. This It's expensive. I mean, the packaging is hecka cute, but it's expensive. Wow, okay. Then we got the Hiiii Facial Makeup Remover. It says, cleanse your troubles away with this double effect cleansing makeup remover from Hiiii. The clear solution is rich in soft oils and works with the blue solution to remove makeup gently. It will leave your skin feeling refreshed so you can drift off to sleep, cleansed and happy. For best results, remember to shake before using. Hold on a second. You're kidding me. This is the full size and this is £10.50. And then we've got the We Are Tea. So there was two different, and this is an extra treat it says. They're two different teas. And I got the Earl Grey Supreme, whereas there was a Sleep Good Night. I wouldn't mind that, you know. I have trouble sleeping at night. But it says, we've teamed up with this ethical London-based tea company to treat you to one of these relaxing teas. The Earl Grey one with a delicate aroma of bergamot fruit and a sprinkling of blue cornflowers. This black tea offers a refreshing infusion. And the sleep one is sink into your pillow and let this herbal infusion of lavender and chamomile melt the pressure away. RRP Earl Grey for 15 tea bags is £2.99. The sleep one with 12 tea bags is £3.49. So really, this is a decent glossy box. I'm actually very, very, very happy with my box because I practically can use everything in this box, and I'm definitely going to use the shampoo tonight, this to remove my makeup like after I finish my video. Do you know what? The palette, I feel like my best friend would really like this more than I would, but I'm still going to keep it for now just in case I want to make a look out of it. If not, I might just be like, Hong, here you go, darling, love ya. So yeah, it's really cute though. It's really cute. I think she would appreciate the packaging. She's more like the design packaging kind of girl. The tea, probably going to have that tonight, maybe with some biscuits, I don't know. And then this, I'll see if my parents want to try it. If my parents don't want to try it, because they're very like, you know, when it comes to things that you put on your body and it's like not natural, they're like, no thanks. But if they want to try it, I'll let them try it. It's for one person only, so someone's got to try it. If they don't want to, I will. And my feet will enjoy that soothing, relaxing gel foot soap. So yeah, I'm really happy with all the things that I got today, and the box is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. I use my boxes for a lot of things. I've got one box over here for my lipsticks. I've got another box over there for my glitters. I've got a box back there for my perfumes. Like, I use these boxes for everything. Like, you know, you get a box a month, you might as well use it, incorporate it with something. So yeah, that was the May glossy box, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.